In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Notion workspace. Exporting your workspace is a great way to create a backup, move content to another tool, or share a clean snapshot with collaborators. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and also explain what each export option means so you can choose the right one for your needs. Start by opening Notion and looking to the top left corner of your window. Click your profile or workspace menu there to open the main menu. From that menu, choose Settings to open the Settings panel. Once you're in, navigate to the General section. This is where Notion keeps core preferences for your account and workspace. Scroll until you see the Workspace content area. Here you'll find the option to export your data. Go ahead and click Export. A small window will appear asking you to choose an export format. You have a few choices: HTML, Markdown, and CSV, and PDF. Here's how to think about them. HTML is best if you want an easy-to-browse snapshot that opens in any web browser. Your pages are saved as web pages, and images or files are placed in accompanying folders. Markdown and CSV is ideal if you plan to migrate content to other tools or keep a developer-friendly archive. Pages export as Markdown files, while databases are exported as CSV, which is handy for spreadsheets or data processing. PDF creates a static, print-ready snapshot of your pages. Choose this when you need a fixed, shareable document that looks the same everywhere. Take a moment to pick the format that matches your goal. If you're unsure, HTML is a good general-purpose backup, while Markdown and CSV is better for portability and editing outside Notion. After selecting your format, click Export. Notion will begin packaging your content and preparing a download. For larger workspaces, this can take a bit of time, so don't worry if you see a progress indicator. When it's ready, you'll be prompted to save a zip file to your computer. Choose a clear location and consider naming the file with today's date for easy version tracking. After the download finishes, it's a good idea to open the zip, spot check a few pages or a database, and confirm everything looks the way you expect. Keep your export in a secure location, especially if it contains sensitive information, and consider storing an additional copy in a trusted backup service. That's all there is to it. Open the profile menu, go to Settings, select General, click Export under Workspace Content, choose your format, and confirm. You now have a reliable copy of your Notion workspace ready for backup, migration, or sharing.